there's so much you don't know. You need to go and find yourself. You say you'd rather be alone, 'cause you think you won't find it tied to someone else. Who said it's true that the growing only happens on your own?
Ready? Yes. Well, it looks like we have some new friends who are attending the wedding. Welcome, everybody. Surprise! Beloved family and friends, welcome. We are gathered together today on this beautiful afternoon to celebrate the union of Brandon and Eva and witness their joy and love as they dedicate themselves to one another in the great adventure of marriage. We are here to witness to the truth that stands before us. The truth that we do not find the meaning of life by ourselves alone. We find it with another. Brandon and Eva have found their meaning and purpose with each other. They found the one with whom they can be completely themselves, the one who understands and accepts them as they are. We all live in the hope of loving and being loved. Love is a miraculous gift, and this wedding is a celebration of that magic. Later in the ceremony, Eva and Brandon will exchange wedding rings. They have asked that all who are present today bless their rings. Go ahead and start passing them. Please take a moment to hold them, warm them with your love, and silently make a wish or ask a blessing for this couple and their future together. When returned, these rings will contain in their precious metals that which is all the more precious, your love and pledge of support for their union. Brandon and Eva, do you come here today freely and without reservation to enter into the legal bond of marriage?
I do.
So they can hear it on the top.
I do.
Love is a force stronger than any other. It cannot be seen or measured, yet it is powerful enough to transform you in a moment and offer you more joy than any material possession ever could. Although this love joins you together as one, remember the gift of your individuality. Cherish and embrace your differences as you love each other. Your relationship already has all of the necessary components for success, but you must maintain that from here forward by remembering what is important in your relationship and why you are making this commitment to one another today. As long as you honor the promises that you will make today, you will create a life of love and happiness. How are we doing on those rings? Perfect. The formal exchange of your wedding vows is the most ancient part of the wedding ceremony. These are the words that couples for centuries have spoken to one another, and while they are very simple words, they have extraordinary meaning and importance. As you hear and affirm them, you will discover that these are truly sacred promises, and sacred promises are meant to be kept forever. Do you, Brandon, take Eva to be your wife? Do you promise to walk by her side forever and to love, help, and encourage her in all that she does? Do you promise to take time to talk with her, to listen to her, and to care for her? Will you share her laughter and her tears as her partner, lover, and best friend? Do you take her as your beloved wife for now and forevermore? If so, please say, I do.
I do.
Do you, Eva, take Brandon to be your husband? Do you promise to walk by his side forever and to love, help, and encourage him in all that he does? Do you promise to take time to talk with him, to listen to him, and to care for him? Will you share his laughter, his tears, as his partner, lover, and best friend? Do you take him as your beloved husband for now and forevermore? If so, please say, I do.
I do.
And do we have the rings?
I do. Oh, that's all.
Brandon, I want you to place that ring on Eva's left hand and repeat after me. With this ring, I marry you.
I marry you.
Wear this ring forever.
Wear this ring forever.
As a sign of my love.
As a sign of my love.
It's okay, I'm gonna give you time to adjust them. Eva, go ahead and place that ring on Brandon's left hand and repeat after me. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy.
Wear it with love and joy.
As this ring has no end,
As this ring has no end,
my love is also forever.
my love is also forever.
These rings have been placed on your fingers as a reminder that you are together, even when you are apart. Do you need a minute to adjust them? Okay.
Good.
May all that you are always be in love, and may all that is love always be in you. May your love be as beautiful on each day you share it as it is on this day of celebration. And may each day you share be as precious as the day when you first fell in love. May you always see and encourage the best in each other. May the challenges life brings your way make your marriage even stronger. And may you always be each other's best friend and greatest love. Brandon and Eva, because you have committed yourselves to each other in marriage and demonstrated this by the exchanging of vows and the giving of rings, it is my honor to officially pronounce that you are now husband and wife, and you may seal that with a kiss.
Yeah, Eva! Woo!
Congratulations, you two.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I want to get a quick cell phone photo.
Okay.
And then we'll get the marriage license.
Yeah!
Your bill's coming.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it easy.
You want to go ahead and stand right there?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, don't look down.
Yeah, she doesn't. She's not worried about it right now. Just keep them in your Thank you. Congratulations.
All right.
Old Father Time checked, so that be no doubt. Call on the north wind to come on out. Then cupped his hands so proudly to shout, la-di-da-di-da-di-dum, 'tis autumn. The trees say they're tired.